Feeling weak? This Kenyan tea builds blood fast. Have you ever felt drained, lightheaded, or simply low in energy? Your body could be crying out for more blood-building nutrients? Nature has given us the perfect remedy, and it's right here in Kenya. This iron-rich herbal tea blends 4 powerhouse plants trusted by both tradition and modern naturopathy. Nettle. Packed with bioavailable iron and chlorophyll, nettle nourishes the blood and supports hemoglobin production. Moringa, known as the miracle tree, moringa contains not just iron but also vitamin C, which helps the body absorb iron better. Amaranth leaves, a natural treasure rich in iron, folate, and essential amino acids that fuel blood cell formation. Pumpkin leaves, a household favorite yet a superfood in disguise, loaded with iron and vitamin A for healthy blood and strong immunity. But the true magic lies in the combination. Together they provide rapid blood formation, supplying the body with iron, folate, and chlorophyll to correct weakness and fatigue. With moringa's vitamin C, your body gets enhanced absorption, turning plant-based iron into a form your cells can truly use. The combo improves oxygen circulation, giving you sharper focus, steady energy, and stamina without artificial stimulants. It is especially supportive for women's health during menstruation, pregnancy, or postpartum recovery when blood needs are higher. With antioxidants and minerals from pumpkin leaves and nettle, your immune system strengthens, keeping infections at bay. Chlorophyll-rich greens also aid in gentle detoxification, cleansing the body while deeply rebuilding it. Instead of relying on synthetic iron supplements that often upset the stomach, this tea works with your body naturally, restoring vitality, balancing energy, and nourishing life itself. Did you know that when your blood is strong, every part of you thrives, from your brain power to your muscle strength, from your skin glow to your immune defense? That's the silent power of nature's pharmacy. So the next time you feel weak, don't just reach for a quick fix. Brew a cup of this Kenyan blood-building tea, and let nature restore your strength from the inside out. If your blood is the river of life, wouldn't you want it flowing strong, rich, and nourished by nature's own herbs?